Hi, I'm Nancy from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I'm here to tell you about the Cucina Pro Flatbread Maker. This machine makes it easy to bake fresh and healthy 10-inch flatbreads, tortillas, and pitas right at home. The non-stick aluminum cooking plates distribute heat evenly. This means your flatbreads will release easily and cleanup is simple. First, open the machine and preheat it for 8 to 10 minutes until the light goes off. Next, shape your dough into a 2-inch ball and flatten slightly into a patty. Place the dough just rear of the center of the bottom. This will allow enough room for the dough to flatten. Then, using the small ear handles, press down and release several times. This allows the steam from your dough to escape. Press down for only a second. Pressing too hard or too long will cause the bread to split apart. Now rotate the dough halfway and press and release again. Continue doing this until the dough is flat enough to close the maker using the top handle. Then you can finish baking your bread to a golden brown with either the machine open or closed. This flatbread maker allows you to bake healthy tortillas, wraps, and flatbreads your whole family will enjoy. They can be used to make quesadillas, fajitas, sandwich wraps, and even Italian flatbread pizzas. The Cucina Pro Flatbread Maker is available online at Bed Bath & Beyond.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.